the systems in place is great. The core training has been the process, and in a way, it kind of gives us a way to check up on ourselves. What we're doing wrong, and what we're doing right, and how to apply it and make it faster. I love that about core training.
You said one of the challenges was to get your body and your mind to think the way core training operates. What do you mean by that? Habits, I guess, but what habits do you change?
Yeah, so like I said, I mean, I think that I have been cleaning for forever, so I knew that my first thought when I walk into a house is to scope out the place, of course, but I would never really have a game plan going in there. You just basically go in there, see what it throws at you, and go from there. And then say carrying the apron it was kind of challenging at first because I didn't like the apron. And I didn't think it made me look very sexy, I guess. I don't know what the deal was, but anyway, I eventually realized that that's probably my best tool. I don't have to, carry one thing on one hand, the other on another hand, and my pockets stuffed full of things, or keep my bucket in the corner where I know it's gonna, I could access it fast or whatever. No, everything is on me. So I have to get past those couple of points, that we have that it's mostly the way your mind and your brain works. It wants to do things that you've been doing forever and ever, and eventually you have to change that. I kind of go back to I think something you said that even applies here, and it's a change of your embrace your new season.
What kind of return did you expect for making that commitment to change? And have you seen any of it? What have you seen?
Yeah, no, I definitely have seen it. When I finally decided that I was going to carry was whenever I knew that it looked more professional, first of all.